I know why you're here and I don't want to waste your time, therefore let's get straight into 5 tips. 1. Photo frames. Screen real estate is important. The split second of someone swiping through their feed and stops at your post will have a huge impact on your posts noticed. A 4:5 cropped image will get you a higher impact than a landscape picture 16:9. The reason is simple, a standing picture generates more screen time in the feed than a lying picture. Most people use Instagram on their phone and have it in portrait mode, therefore portrait photos make up more screen time than a landscape photo. Like this video if you found this tip helpful. 2. The first hour. Within the first hour, the Instagram algorithm decides whether your post is an important one or not. That's why you should have an interesting caption or a question to your followers so they can interact with your content. Remember always interacting with the people that are commenting. Instagram loves social networking. Want to learn how to get instant followers? Check out this video. 3. Use polls and stickers in your stories. Instagram have all these polls and stickers for a reason. Use these to encourage your audience and followers to engage in your stories. When Instagram realizes that you have an engaged audience, they will push more traffic to your page. 4. Use Carousel. 1 second scanning one image on a feed will turn into 10 seconds swiping through that carousel. It's also a great way to share a story with your audience. 5. Videos and Reels will be just as important as picture on the future Instagram. In the latest algorithm update, Instagram informed that videos and Reels will form a larger part of the user's feed. Therefore post Reels, but remember working hashtags. The next you should do is watching this video where you will learn about hashtags and a working Instagram growth strategy. See you there.